During this Qigong practice, we'll be strengthening the kidney and bladder meridians. First, start by feeling your feet very soundly on the floor, tipping your pelvis and stretching your spine right through to the top of your head. Feel kidney 1 in the base of your feet and the dantian just below the belly button. Hands out, feeling the qi from the earth coming into the center of the palms. Really feel the qi being magnetized into the palms of the hands. Face them to the qi of heaven and feel the qi of heaven coming into the center of the palms as you gather the qi and bring it over and into the body, resting in the dantian. Sweep down the back of the legs, joining kidney 1, bring it up to kidney 27. Joining now, sweeping over the bladder, down the back of the spine, right to the little toe, up the kidney meridian and over the bladder, sweeping down over the spine, backs of the legs, right to the little toe. In this way, we're really calming the nervous system and regulating the yin and yang in the body. Now, reaching out in front of you, gather the qi, rolling the knees, gather up the qi back into the waist. Bring your hands behind you, out in front of you, gathering the qi, roll it up and pull it into the waist. From the sides now, back behind and gather the qi up the body and to the waist. Curling the hands behind from the kidneys, down to the earth and up into the dantian and the waist. And again, stretching forwards, curling down, gathering the qi. And pushing the pelvis forwards and the hands go back. Pelvis forwards, hands go back. Feeling the sexual organs as into the kidney 1 as we sweep the qi up the body through the knees and around the shoulders. Spine curling and curling, sweeping and curling as the shoulders curl over. All the time, the kidney 1 point energized, drawing the qi up the body and through the spine. And again, begin from kidney 1 point. Feel it coming up through the knees. And gather the qi and bring it down into the dantian just below the belly button. Again, gathering up the qi of heaven, condensing it and bringing it right down into that core point, which is your dantian. This is your qi to energize your body.